What's up, guys? This is my 13.7 general purpose rifle. We're going to go from ass to nose, just like we do. And we will start with this B5 stock. I'm running a flatline padded sling. It's a flectarn pattern with a Ranger Green tri-glides and pull tab. I've got a Law-Tac folder on here and a primary weapons ratcheting castle nut. I am running the Geisley braided system with an H1 buffer, which is supposedly perfect for this 13.7 with the folder. This is a Sons of Liberty 13.7 with a dead air chemo on it. This is a factory built upper receiver from Sons of Liberty, so it has got their charging handle and their bolt. This is a Lauer lower receiver with Geisley lower parts kit, ALG defense trigger, HRF magwell, and a Reptilia grip. I'm running an Arasaka offset for my backup sighting system with a hex cap on it. This is a 507C. EOTech on top of a Unity mount. I do need to get a hex cap for this. They were out last time I checked from 100 Concepts. Moving up, I have got an Arcane QD for when I move my sling up. And moving down the rail, I'm running a Unity Modlite button and mount with a Modlite light. It's an OKW with a 100 Concepts cap on it as well. So far, I've only put 500 rounds to this thing. It's a great shooter. It's pretty fast and accurate, even with the extra weight of the folder on here. But this is what I would consider a general purpose rifle. It's got a few more frills than my lightweight carbine, and it's a lights out shooter. I'm enjoying it so far. I've always wanted one of these upper receivers from Sons of Liberty, and I was fortunate enough to find one, so I snagged it up when I had the opportunity. That's it, guys. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments. I will answer them, and shoot me an instant message or direct message on Instagram. Happy to answer questions there as well. Take it easy.